Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You sign into Google now and confirm Gemini access, because without signed authentication, you can't run the demo features. Once signed, enable camera, mic, and storage permissions. These allow video input and saving. Make sure you're using the Google app or Chrome. Labs or experimental features must be enabled. You'll want a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid upload hiccups, plus a charged device. Now that prerequisites are active, go to the Gemini entry point and select the video option to begin. You start by recording or uploading the clip you want Gemini to analyze, keeping to the recommended length so processing stays fast. Then write a concise prompt that explains what you want. Mention edits, timing, or tone, because Gemini responds to instruction precision. Once you submit, watch the analysis stages and give follow-up prompts to refine edits. For example, ask for color correction, then tighter cuts. You'll repeat short cycles of instruction and review until the output matches your intent. You export the finished video in the format and resolution you need, for example MP4 at 16:9, and check file size against limits. Once exported, review audio sync, visual artifacts, and whether the edit matches the brief. Make precise requests to fix anything off. If processing fails, clear app cache, restart the browser or app, then upload a simplified clip and prompt. If problems persist, document steps and report the bug through Google Feedback so engineers can reproduce it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.